How to sign up kucoin account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to sign up to your kucoin account. So first thing first, just head over to your Play Store and make sure you have already downloaded as well as installed the kucoin application successfully, and now simply open it. And from over here you can just tap on this sign up button since we want to create our account, and just tap on this sign up. As you can see, now you just have to enter your email address or your phone number, so I'll simply tap on my email address. So let me just quickly enter my email over here and just tap on create account, and it will send you a 60-digit verification code. So you can also perform this captcha option over here. So let me just quickly enter my verification code over here and just click on confirm and just click on create. You can also create a passkey. So here again you just have to enter your email verification code, and once you do all of that you can simply tap on this get verified button, as it only takes 3 to 5 minutes to verify your account so that you can complete to unlock the deposit and trading permission. So just tap on that and just follow along with the screen instruction, that is you have to provide such details or documents such as your ID card or passport, which is most probably recommended, or you can also provide driver's license. So once you provide all of the details from your particular document and follow along the on-screen instructions, you should be successfully verifying your account and easily use your kucoin account just like that. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.